If you want to set up Smart Connect on a Motorola Moto G87, you can, for example, open the Smart Connect app by going to the Moto folder over here in the app drawer. Here we have the Smart Connect app. Or you can open the settings on your phone and go to connected devices, and here we can find Smart Connect as well. Now, usually if you open this for the first time, you need to grant certain permissions, so of course be sure to do that. And if you try to add your first device either by using this Add a Device button or this plus in the upper right corner, you might be asked to log into an account, but it is not really necessary to do so. There is an option to skip it, and you don't really need to actually use any account whatsoever. So once you are here, we have a couple of options, like for example, you can scan a QR code if you have one to use the Smart Connect. We have the option to show the QR code in case you want to scan the QR code from your phone on another device. But besides that, we have, for example, PC, tablet, display. We can also pair an iPhone, a Motorola smartwatch, Motorola Buds, Moto Tag, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, the list is quite big. Whatever you decide to use, you can just simply select that thing from this list, and then over here you can just continue pairing and follow the instructions. In some cases, you have to install the Smart Connect app. In some cases, like in the case of Motorola tablets, for example, I'm pretty sure Smart Connect is already installed, so you don't have to do that. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.